Hi everyone, this is Kalyan Kumar here and welcome to Product Review. If this is your first time here, then do consider subscribing. In this video, I'm going to help you convert a Word document file into a well-formatted PowerPoint presentation with just one click. You can even pick up any web article that you really like, copy and paste the text onto Word, a document, and convert that into a PowerPoint presentation. All of this done by the all-new Microsoft AI. Before we jump in, let me make it clear that you would need a Microsoft Office 365 subscription for this feature to work. Now with that out of the way, let us start the magic from scratch. First, let's open our browser, and in the address bar, we are going to type office.com. Since I'm already logged in, I find a page all with my Word documents and presentations that are stored on OneDrive. Remember again, if you want to convert a Word document file to presentation, you need to save that file in OneDrive. I have here a document that says Zoom H6, the best portable handy recorder on a budget. Now this is the script of a particular video I made in this channel. I'm going to open it. Now click File, Export, and hit this one button, Export to PowerPoint Presentation Preview. Now it will ask you to choose a design theme. I'll choose the first one and I click Export. It says Preparing Slides and now it's done. Click Open Presentation. That's it, the presentation has been created. Not only that, look at how intelligently it has created smart art using each sentence and also put icons based on the text. Look at how beautifully it has created these icons. When you go to Save As, you get a lot of options. You can even download a copy to your computer. Let's do that. Choose the folder and hit Save. Now let's open the presentation in the computer and enable editing. Here you can edit, animate, and even change the icons if you want. You can replace the icons with anything that you can think of. Now let us find a website with content that you want to turn into a presentation. I open another tab and type how to prevent yourself from getting COVID. Let's open this particular one, how to protect yourself and others. I select and copy the content I want. Open the office.com tab, open Word, hit New Blank Document and paste it. Now I convert this into a PowerPoint presentation. Open it. You can see for yourself the power of the AI. It can never be perfect or exactly as you want. You just have to do a few tweaks based on your preference, but it helps a lot from doing the painful task of copying and pasting in different slides and formatting each of them. 95% of the work is done here. Again, you can download this, tweak things your way, and your presentation is ready. So my friends, this is the simple and the most effective way of converting a Word document into a presentation in just one click, that is export. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you like seeing similar videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for notification. With that, goodbye and stay safe.